This revolutionary device helps you relieve your own back pain at home in under 10 minutes. If you're stressed, have poor posture, or spend long hours in front of a computer, your back may be filled with painful trigger points. Trigger points are tense spots that form when the muscles in your back have been contracted for too long. This causes the muscles to choke off their own supply of oxygen and nutrients, resulting in pain and tightness. Relieving trigger point pain used to require long, difficult exercises or expensive physical therapy. But now there's a new doctor-recommended device that can relieve your pain at home naturally, whenever you need relief. Simply lie down and relax as the device gently massages the pain out of your trigger points, erasing weeks of built-up stress and tension. It uses 12 trigger point knobs to relieve pain throughout your upper back, lower back, neck and shoulders. Unlike other products, its unique shape keeps all 3 curves of your spine in proper alignment, relieving pain along your entire spine. Best of all, the durable device can be used for years. There are no drugs, refills, or batteries to purchase. The Trigger Point Rocker was created by Dr. Aaron Fu, Doctor of Physical Therapy, from Irvine, California. After years of seeing patients with neck, back and shoulder pain on a daily basis, he knew there was a need for natural at-home treatment. Dr. Fu used his expertise and desire to help as many people as possible to develop the Trigger Point Rocker.
I wanted to create a product that made sense financially, but most of all, makes your body feel like we turned back time.
Over time, Dr. Fu started noticing more and more patients complaining about trigger point pain.
People are spending more time sitting at the computer or staring at their phone, and they're more stressed than ever. It's no wonder their muscles are tightening up, causing this intense pain that only gets worse the longer you ignore it. It's easy to fix. You just need the right equipment.
Dr. Fu's patients had found some success with alternatives like foam rollers and massagers. But sadly, each of these devices only worked for one issue, which frustrated his patients.
There wasn't a single device that could help relieve the specific type of pain that trigger points cause. As such, people were expecting to get results from devices that weren't actually designed to soothe their trigger points.
Dr. Fu knew a simple product could potentially help millions of people suffering from neck and other stress-related issues. So he started developing a single device that can target all your trigger points. It needed to relieve pain quickly, at home, without requiring a lot of setup or bulky equipment. After months of development and testing, the Trigger Point Rocker was born. The Trigger Point Rocker is an at-home device with 3 groups of pressure point knobs that target and soothe your trigger points. In just a few minutes, it can give you incredible, long-lasting relief for your back, neck, or shoulder pain. It does the work of 6 other products in one. And since it's a one-time purchase, it can offer you relief for years to come. The Trigger Point Rocker has 12 carefully placed knobs that align with the trigger points on your body. By lying down on the device, you automatically apply gentle pressure that naturally relieves tightness and pain. Even better, using it regularly can strengthen your posture, so you feel less pain overall. It's simple enough for anyone to use, yet effective enough to handle the most intense pain. The Trigger Point Rocker releases tension from your back and neck simply by lying down on it and moving around. You can use the Trigger Point Rocker whenever you feel pain to get fast relief in moments of intense pain. Or you can use it every day to strengthen your body and prevent future trigger points from forming. You can even leave it on the back of your chair to enjoy a soothing massage all day long. The Trigger Point Rocker's all-natural pain relief method is completely safe to use. The device is compact and offers an optional carrying case, allowing you to easily bring it with you wherever you go. Because it replaces 6 other devices, it also saves you tons of space and time. The Trigger